Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming OneNote version and that you are signed into the correct account. This determines recovery paths. Next, locate the notebook source, OneDrive local, OneFiles, or the synced cache folder so you know where to pull data. Once located, make a backup copy of any suspicious files or folders before you change anything. This preserves a restore point. Finally, open OneNote in safe mode or web to prevent further sync changes, and then move to targeted file restoration. You now perform the deeper repair steps. First, check OneDrive version history and the recycle bin and restore the desired version. This often resolves missing pages. If the notebook is local, run OneNote's built-in repair or use the OneNote desktop app to import the OneFile. This repairs indexing and section links. When the cloud and repair tools fail, extract data from the OneNote cache folder and recreate sections manually, and then resync to ensure changes propagate. Make sure to monitor for sync conflicts. You finish by forcing a full sync and verifying that every section and page is present. Give it time and watch the sync status for errors. Once confirmed, export the recovered notebook to A1PKG or PDF for an immutable backup and keep a copy offline. If issues persist, sign into OneNote from a different machine or account to isolate device-specific problems and then reattempt recovery. Key tip: if a sync conflict appears, choose the copy with the most recent edits and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.